This is a short introduction of Autori asphalt patching solution. This solution, like all our solutions, is built on Autori platform, containing Autori field tools and Autori Vista. Here is a quick glance to the contents and the workflow of Autori asphalt patching solution in order to give you the big picture before going through the workflow in detail. Let's start from operation labels, contracts, and contract-specific operation prices. Then familiarize ourselves to targets and planned operation. When targets reach the ordered state, the actual patching work can start. Here you can see the Autori Office UI. From the main menu, we can find the search pages for all the content. By clicking the operation labels, the search page for operation labels opens. Currently, there are 9 labels available. More labels can be added at any time using Add New Action. Type in the information and save the operation label. Another way of adding operations is to use Autori's Excel import feature that can be found from main menu under Actions. First, the import file for operation labels is downloaded. Then operation labels are added to downloaded Excel file. Then the file is imported to Autori and all operation labels found from the import file are saved to Autori. Let's check the contracts next. Contracts can be found the same way as operation labels. By clicking the contracts search page from the main menu, the contracts page opens. Currently, there is one contract called Fairfax. More contracts can be added at any time using Add New Action. Now we have checked the operation labels and contracts. Next, we want to get contract-specific prices for the operations, so let's move into operation prices. We can add operation prices using action found from the main menu. First, we need to give the contract for which we are adding the prices. Then we need to select the operations that will be used in the contract. All operation labels can be selected. Then we need to give the start and end time for the prices. End time can be left open. Then we need to give the prices for operations. Current prices are suggested. After all is set, click Save. Operation prices can be found the same way as other content. Main menu, search pages, operation prices. We can find 9 Fairfax contract prices. Next in line, we have the patching targets. Once again, main menu, search pages, and patching targets gives the view to patching targets. Currently, there are 9 patching targets in this Autori environment. Table of Fairfax patching targets is also added to Autori Fairfax dashboard. User can configure their own dashboard to meet their needs. Adding the most important things to dashboard enables the user get the situation overview when opening the Autori. Dashboard widgets work also as shortcuts to search pages with correct filters. For example, Fairfax patching targets search page can be opened from the table widget. Patching targets contain the locations where patching operations need to be done. By clicking the location icon on the table, the patching target can be located on the map. By clicking the table row, the patching target can be opened to its own tab. From there, all the information and attachments of the patching target can be seen, updated, and saved. Patching targets can be planned by adding the planned operations to them. Planned operations have their own tab under every target. Prices for planned operations are automatically calculated when operations are added. The total price of planned operations is summed on target. Planned operation prices per target graph is also added to Fairfax dashboard. graphs can be added to dashboard using Autori reporting features. Now we have everything ready and the actual patching work can be started. The field worker can easily locate the patching targets using Autori mobile app. When the work for the target is done, the field worker reports the completed operations using Autori mobile app. Also, the used traffic signs and possible paving mixture mounds can be reported. This is the Autori mobile UI. In Autori Patching Solution, there is an own tab for patching targets. Patching targets locations can be seen on the map, and also the detailed info and planned operations can be seen when the target is expanded. Patching targets can also be filtered, for example, using the state of the target. For example, paving group can filter targets where the groundwork has been done in order to see the targets where they can go next. Currently, there is only one target in groundwork state. From completed operations, it can be seen that milling and groundwork has been done. From planned operations, the pavement group can see the planned pavement amount and the type of pavement. When the pavement work has been completed, a completed operation shall be reported. The actual amount can differ from the planned. Also, the state of the target shall be changed to pavement. Field worker can also add a photo or attachment of the completed work. If traffic signs are used on target, those can be reported also using Autori. When sign is set, it can be reported using Autori's Quick Note button. All active signs are visible on Autori's Autorest Traffic Signs map. When the sign is removed, it can be reported using Autori's Autorest Sign Removal action, and the sign is not shown on the map anymore. Also, possible paving mixture mounds that are left on target for later collection can be reported using Autori. All active mounds are visible on Autori's Autorest Paving Mixture Mounds map. When the mound is collected, the removal can be reported using Autori's Autorest Mound Removal action, and the mound is not shown on the map anymore. While the field work is ongoing, the progress can be monitored in real time using Autori Office. When work has been completed, it is time to check that target is ready for invoicing and send the invoice to customer. From the Autori Office UI, the foreman can track the work progress in real time. Foreman can see the changes in target states from the dashboard. Also, the completed operations and their prices can be seen from the graph. Foreman can also easily open the targets in pavement state in order to inspect the work in detail. Currently, there is one target in pavement state. The completed operations and attachments can be found under the target. If everything looks good, target can be moved to done. Foreman can also check that the customer information is filled and then move target to eligible for billing. Then foreman can create an Excel invoice using an action found from the target. Invoice contains the customer information, completed operations, amounts, and prices, and also the image attachments from the target. That was the Autori asphalt solution in nutshell. Thank you for watching.